Welcome to Curiosity Quest Goes Green, the show that explores what you, the viewer, are curious about. We made our way out here to Fort Worth, Texas, where we're gonna find out how they take all these light bulbs from our house, from our schools, from stores, crush it all down, recycle all this glass, and we're gonna turn it into something very unique. So let's begin today's Curiosity Quest Goes Green. I'm here with Steve. How you doing?
Hi, Joel. Welcome to Texas and Lighting Resources Texas. May I show you around?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Cool. So tell me a little bit about this place.
This facility recycles primarily fluorescent light bulbs, other kinds of light bulbs as well. We get these lamps brought in from everyday folks that live in the area that will bring their lamps into us to recycle. We handle many businesses and industrial facilities, airports, schools, government offices, or we can get from street lights and from stadium lighting, like at the baseball park or at your football stadiums.
This comes from the Texas Rangers, is that what you're saying?
Those are the kind of lamps that they use throughout, and also the Dallas Cowboys Stadium all use these kinds of lamps and street lights as well.
So many people out there are curious about where everything goes or what happens to it. Does it really go to a place? Does it really get recycled? And we actually get to show you here.
Yes, sir.
Do we have more to see?
We do. Shall we look at the process?
Let's go. So you guys take all the mercury and the metal and everything out of them, and what do we do with them?
Yes, sir. We're able to run our lamps through a process machine that actually breaks the lamp once it's inside a controlled environment, separates the materials, cleans it up, and we're able to recycle all the materials that come from it.
Wow, and we're going to see that here today.
Yes, sir, we are. These are the light bulbs. And again, these are just the standard fluorescent tubes that you get out of any office building or any kind of application.
Where's the mercury in these?
The mercury is located inside the tube, and it's spread out and distributed all through the powder that's inside the lamp.
Why is mercury so bad for the environment?
Well, mercury is in its elemental and divalent form. There's a number of kinds of mercury, but over time, it changes. When it changes, it becomes really hazardous to human and any other kind of life form. It's toxic and it kills nerve cells.
It gets in the water, seeps down in the water too.
It does. And then
that's why this can't be in the landfill.
Yes, and that's how it starts into the human food chain. This machine pulls all the air into the machine. Well, that keeps all the mercury vapor going into the filtration of the machine.
So all the vapor and everything is going right here?
Into here.
All right, so where's all the glass going?
So, once the lamp is broken here, the glass drops and goes onto the spiral conveyor. That will cause the glass just to walk around like on a ramp, and then the glass drops in and goes into this separator right here. And then what that does is it cleans the glass. Again, the glass drops onto another vibrating conveyor. Goes up, drops through right here, and this is a magnet.
Oh,
this picks up the metals that are in the glass and separates it out. At the very end, we wind up with the glass, and as you can see, instead of being white now, the glass is quite clear.
In that very short assembly line, we've taken a full tube of glass, broken it, removed all the mercury from it, separated the glass, the metal, and now we have the mercury gone, the metal gone, most of the plastic gone, it looks like, and we're just left with glass.
Yep.
So what are you throwing away here or putting in a landfill?
Absolutely nothing.
Wow. You're taking something that we all use and we're all familiar with, and you're processing it down to where you're reusing every part of it.
Yep. Everything is reused.
Wow. It's amazing because we hear all the time about keeping this stuff out of your landfill, and you're demonstrating for us part of the reason why, because you have another purpose for everything. Yep. Now we should take these glass and go make something with it.
There you go.
Cool. I appreciate the time, Steve. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for being here.